Alright you guys, today we'll check out another data Mosh effect, and this time we're going to use a really interesting app that is called moshpro.app. Now here you can download the Mosh Lite, the free version, or you get the Mosh Pro. I purchased this one because it includes quite a bit of effects, and also it has 4K export size, so why not try it out? So I'm just going to put this to the test to see what results we're going to get. So I'm going to launch the desktop version. Here we got the load file, and I'm going to roll with this. Alright, so here at the right side you can see the huge library of special effects, and of course at the top we got the data Mosh. I'm just going to activate that, and here we got it. We already got the Mosh going on. Now in my situation this is not enough, and you know, here we get the amount. This is going to Mosh the whole thing at max, but I'm gonna try to decrease it a little bit more. Then you also got the blockness. It is going to make it more square, the effects. Check this out. So I'm gonna roll something like this. Then you got the decimate. We're gonna activate that too. That is going to mess it up quite a bit, so we're gonna decrease the amount. Colorize, I'm also gonna drag that down a little bit more. Speed, bring it down. You know, just make it a little bit more subtle. Yeah, there you go. And now we're gonna go and search for the soft glitch, and hope I'm gonna find it today. Okay, so finally an eternity later, I did find the soft glitch, which is right here. I can activate that. Now I'm going to decrease the speed all the way down, and also the amount. Then let's go to the pixel sort, activate that. Let's decrease the amount. Threshold is good. And then we're going to search for Insta Color, which is right here. Oh, by the way, you also can change up the style if you will. I think I did with the first one, but you know, you can experiment with these. I'm also going to put some VHS. Because why not? Let's gonna decrease the static and then also the bars. I'm also gonna search for the grain, activate that, and yeah, pretty much that's it. So yeah, pretty much this is how I make data Mosh in Mosh Pro. Thanks for watching.